We are starting our first game. But before that, F1BL team would like to thank the following sponsors: Kalos PH, Marquis, Pratelo, Santis, Haladala, and Croxilugan. Once again, thank you, sponsors. Our first game again, San Roque versus Tres Marias. Battling for third. Tres Marias goal. The master to Molly Jacob Lee, no good. Put back by Billy. 2 points for Billy. Nagartaya to Pigaw. Pigaw, 3-point shot, no good. The rebound, Molly Jacob Lee. The master dribbling on the ball to Hosteliero. Hosteliero to Billy. Outside. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Chipong, no good. Rebound by Basto. Damasco, no good. Rebound na Cartea. Steal by Pili. Pili dribbling. Pili, midi is good. 2 points for Cody Chus. Pili. Hoxon to Lagartea. Back to Hoxon. Hoxon, 3-point shot, no good. 3-point Pigaw. Second chance opportunity is good. Pigaw, 2 points. Damasco to Teng. Teng to Hosteliero. Hosteliero to Molly Chipong Lim. And Molly, 2 points is good. And Molly. Lagartea penetrating. Lagartea, 2 points. Australiano to Teng. Teng to Pili. Pili, 3-point shot. It's good. Pili, 3 points. Pigaw. Dribbling to Kabangon. Kabangon maybe. Kabangon no good. Rebound and Molly. And Molly to Pili. Pili dribbling. Pili. Pass to Teng. Teng to Loader. No good. Rebound. Pili. Pili no good. Rebound Damasco. 10 seconds to shoot. Teng to Molly Chipong Lim. Chipong, 2 points! Grabe yan. Vasco, no good. Rebound Saliero to Damasco. Damasco to Pili. Pili, 2 points. So they choose Pili. Oxford to Pigaw. Pigaw dribbling to Lagartea. Lagartea penetrating. Lagartea no good. Rebound and Molly. Molly to Pili. Pili attacking. Still by Pigaw. Ngunit makukuha ulit ang Tres Marias. Tres Marias to Damasco. Damasco, 2-pointer no good. Pigaw taking the shot is good. Master dribbling on the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Hosteliero to Teng. 10 seconds to shoot. Thing to Ermoli. Ermoli with a shot. It's good. Ermoli, 2 points. Lagartea to Basco. Basco penetrating. Basco no good. Rebound Billy. Billy running. Billy penetrating. Billy 2 points. What a problem on the paint. Son to back to Basco. Basco back to Son. To Cabangon, Meiji. Cabangon 2 points. Good. Our official score is 17-9 in favor of the Rescue Maria. 14 seconds to shoot. Damasco taking the shot. No good. Rayman Hakson. Hakson to Cabangon. Cabangon, Meiji again. No good. Rayman Pili. Pili to Ermoli. Ermoli. 2 points is good for Ermoli. No change 5 rep. Maseno, giving ka the ball. Di po Maseno to Kael. Kael taking the shot. Kael! Green! Cody Lily giving ka the ball. Cody taking the 3-point shot. No good. All board. Di po Maseno to Basco. Basco penetrating. Still by Amoroso. Amoroso running. Amoroso to Billy. Billy on the paint. Billy, 2 points. Easy basket for Billy. What a great start here for Tres Marias. Kyle, dribbling. Kyle to Hoxon, fake. Hoxon got it out of bounds. Same ball. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Lagartea to naman Maseno. Corner 3 is good for the Maseno. 3 points. Ross is dribbling on the ball. Posteliano. Posteliano still by Basco. Kyle running. Kyle dribbling. Kyle to the Maseno. To Hoxon. Hoxon no good. Rebound Damasco. Pili penetrating. Pili. 2 points for Claudia Pili. Steal by Ed. Kyle. Foul number 23. First personal foul. First team foul. First free throw is good for Kael. Second free throw is good for Kael. Pili bringing down the ball. Pili to Damasco. Damasco, Posteliano. Posteliano taking a 2-point shot. It's good for Posteliano. 2 points. Kael to Lagartea. Lagartea penetrating. Lagartea to Maseno. 14 seconds to shoot. Kael to Lagartea. Deep pass. Amoroso to Pili. Pili. Back to Amoroso. Amoroso no good. Rebound Pili. Pili back again. Amoroso. Amoroso 2 points is good. Our official score is 27-17 in favor pa din ng Tres Marias. Di ba Maseno to Hoxon. Hoxon taking the 3-point shot. It's good for Hoxon. Great. Amoroso to Pili. Pili surveying the deep. 14 seconds to shoot. Pili on the paint. Kick out to Amoroso. Amoroso for the three. It's good. 3 points. Lagartea. 2 points for Lagartea. Amoroso to Damasco. Damasco to Australiano. Easy 2 points for Australiano. And Damasco. Deep pass by Damasco. Pili. Bringing on the ball. Pili to Amoroso. 2-point shot. No good. Rebound Lagartea. And dribbling. Kael. Floater. No good. Rebound. Hawkson back to Kael. Tuloy pa Moseno. Corner 3. Wide open. No good. Rebound by Hawkson again. Hawkson taking a 3-point shot. No good. Hostiliero to Pili. Pili dribbling. Pili. 2-point shot. No good. Pili to Damasco. Still. San Roque on the run. Basco. Kick out to Nepomuceno. Taking the shot. No good. Still Lagartea. Nepomuceno. All alone. No good. Rebound Lagartea. Second chance opportunity is good for Lagartea. Really? No good. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nepomuceno 3 is good. Billy. No good. That's the end of the first quarter. Our official score is 32-27. Tres Marias is still on the lead. Start of the second quarter. San Roque ball. Kabangon on their point guard. Tuloy pa Moseno. Back to Kabangon. Still by Billy. Billy. Billy is 2 points. Thank you, Australiano. Australiano. 2 points for Australiano. Kyle, dribbling na the ball. Kyle, to Kabangon. Kabangon. 2 points for Kabangon. Australiano dribbling to the ball. Australiano to Payne. Payne to Ermoli. Ermoli penetrating. But Ermoli 2 points is good. Billy 2 points. Billy 2 points is good. Moseno to Kael. Kael dribbling. To Kabangon. Kabangon midi. Kabangon midi is good. 2 points. Payne to Billy. Pili back to turn. 14 seconds to shoot. Hosteliero, mid-range, no good. Rebound San Roque. Pass na to Kael. Kael! Woo! No good. Pass na to Pigaw. To Kael. Kael, no good again. Rebound Damasco. Damasco dribbling to Pili. Pili penetrating to Hosteliero. 2 points for Hosteliero. Our official score is 42-33. Still in favor of Tres Marias. Nepomuceno. No good. Rebound Basco. Basco. To Kael. Kael wide open. No good. Rebound by Basco again. Foul. Foul number 28. First personal foul. First team foul. Ten, dribbling at the ball. 10 to Molly. Running violation by Anne Molly. Kael dribbling at the ball. Kael penetrating. Kael! 2 points for Kael! What happened? Cody Chusili versus defense. Amoroso, fake. Amoroso to Damasco. Damasco to Pili. Pili to Ermoli. Ermoli. Toby. 2 points for Ermoli. Kael to Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno to Damasco. Traveling violation. Substitution. Nepomuceno dribbling at the ball. Nepomuceno to Pigaw. Pigaw surveying the D. Screen Lagartea. Pigaw, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound Damasco. Damasco to Hosteliero. Hosteliero, their point guard. To Damasco. Damasco Bluer. That foul. Foul number 18. First personal foul. First team foul. First free no good for Damasco. Second free throw is good for Damasco. Lagartea to Cabangon. Cabangon, Midi. Cabangon, 2 points. Amoroso to Damasco. Damasco to 10. 14 seconds to shoot. Hosteliero. To Ermoli. Ermoli. The foul. Foul number 5. First personal foul. Second team foul. First free throw is good for Aaron Molly. Second free throw, no good for Aaron Molly. Big out, dribbling on the ball. Kick ball. Same ball. Fourteen seconds of the shot clock. Lagartea to Hoxon. Hoxon. No good. Rebound ni Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno taking the 3-point shot. No good. Mr. Realo. By Ermoli. Ermoli penetrating. Ermoli no good. Kabangon to Picao. Picao. Hoxon 2 points. Amoroso to Tomasco. Tomasco to Hosteliero. Hosteliero. Amoroso wide open 3. No good. Ermoli fake. No foul. Tomasco. Iwan Amoroso. To Hosteliero. 5 seconds is good. Hosteliero 2 points. Parang 18 years old. Turnover. Tamunas Marias ball.
Grabing galaw yun.
Lin, back to Tang. Tang. Taking the shot. No good. Damasco. No good. Bigaw. Kunin mo Moseno. To Kabangon. Kabangon. 2 points. Damasco floater. No good. Lagartea to Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno to Kabangon. Kabangon to Lagartea. Lagartea 2 points. Our official score is 48-45. Tatlo ang namang ng Perez Marias. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Damasco, no good. Hosteliero. Hosteliero, 2 points. Nepomuceno running. Nepomuceno. 3 point is good. Nepomuceno. Amoroso, dribbling. Hosteliero. Hosteliero. Hosteliero to Molly. Molly, Popey. No good. Ivan Oxon. Oxon lose the ball. Nepomuceno got the ball. Nepomuceno 3-point shot. It's good for Nepomuceno. Timeout for Perez Marias. Our official score is 51-15. San Roque take the 1-point lead. Remaining time 1 minute and 39 seconds. Back to the ball game.
Wala yan, idol. Sir, ito pa, dalawa pa. Eh, dalawa pa, sir. Isa pa, isa pa.
Amoroso. To Angeles. Angeles. Three-point shot. No good. Angeles got the ball again to Billy. Billy. No good. Pasa na yun. Molly chipong in. 2 points for M. Molly. Lagante at Kabangon. Kabangon. 2 point. Kabangon, 2 points is good. Molly to Billy. Billy using the ball. Billy to Tang. Tang. Angeles got the ball. Cody. Trying to 3-point shot. Cody. 3. Oxon.
Nagkagulo yung pasa.
Amoroso sa Billy. Billy dribbling. Maka Amoroso. 35 seconds. Tang. Fair Molly. Deep pass. Cody got it. Amoroso taking a 3-point shot. No good. Rebound. Lagartea. Lagartea to Pigaw. Pigaw. No good. Rebound Kabangon. Got blocked by Cody. 15 seconds to shoot. Cody dribbling. Cody to Hermoli. To Amoroso. 5 seconds. Amoroso 3-point shot. No good. End of the first half. Our official score is 55-53. Tres Marias has a 2 points lead. Once again, F1BL team would like to thank the following sponsors: Colos PH, Marcus, Rapello, Haladala, Santis, and Peroxy Lugan. Tres Marias ball. Damasco to Angeles. Angeles, cross court pass to Pili. Pili, 3-point shot, no good. Kyle to Bigao. Bigao, 2 points for Bigao. Damasco to Pauline Day. Pauline Day to Billy. Billy to Damasco. Got blocked by Basco. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Molly to Billy. 5 seconds. Billy. No good. Rebound Kyle. Kyle dribbling. Kyle being defended by Billy. Kyle. Foul number 25. First personal foul. 10 seconds. Kyle. 2 points for Kyle. Another Mighty Mouse. Damasco to Billy. Billy to Polenday. Polenday, 3-point. 3-point shot is good for Polenday. Kyle, ito mo sa ina, Lagatea. Lagatea, living back to Kyle. 14 seconds to shoot. Kyle, to Bigao. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Kyle. Kyle dribbling. Kyle to Lagatea. Lagatea made it good. 2 points for Lagatea. Billy, dribbling. Billy, stopping back no good. The rebound Polenday. Blocked by Basco. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Damasco. Bigao got the ball. Bigao. 2 points for Bigao. Billy to Damasco. Damasco to Hermoli. Steal by Kyle. Lagartea to Basco. Basco bringing the ball. Basco. Walang bala sa kanya na kunin. Bigao. Foul. 2 points. San Roque got the lead. 63-58 our official score. Damasco to Billy. Billy on the paint. Billy find their Molly. San Roque got the ball. Lagartea to Bigao. Bigao, no good. Rebound Billy. Damasco dribbling. Damasco to Ermoli. Ermoli. Ermoli to Cody Billy. 3-point shot. No good. Kyle to Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno, 3-point shot. No good. Lagartea got the ball again. Steal by Molly to Billy. Kick out to Damasco. Damasco all alone. 2 points for Damasco. 3-point lead for San Roque. Lagartea to Basco. Basco, spin. Basco, 2 points for Basco. Damasco dribbling on the ball. Damasco to Cody Pili. Pili to Angeles. Angeles, 2 points. Kyle dribbling the ball to Lagartea. Lagartea fake. Lagartea dribbling. Lagartea miri. Lagartea miri no good. Rebound Pili. Cody running. Cody penetrating. Cody, 2 points. 14 seconds to shoot. Kyle, pigaw. Pigaw tuloy Pampaseno. Back to Kyle. Kyle, take a 2-point shot. No good. Di ba Damasco? Damasco to Billy. Billy running. Billy. Ermoli got the ball. Ermoli to Paulin Day. Paulin Day to Billy. To Angeles. Angeles! Nice! Angeles! Ram! Lagartea. Kyle, take a 3-point shot. Kyle! 3 points! Ermoli to Billy. Cardi. To Molly. 14 seconds to shoot. Molly to Billy. Billy. Cardi choose Billy 2 points. Kyle to Pigaw. Pigaw, no good. Pigaw again. Second chance opportunity is good for Pigaw, 2 points. Billy to Damasco. Sandro got the ball. Basco running. Basco penetrating. Basco 2 points is good. Timeout for the Las Marias. Our official score is 72-68 in favor of San Roque. Remaining time 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Amoroso, bring the ball. Amoroso, to Damasco, Toseliero. Toseliero to Billy. Billy. What is he trying to do? Billy. Bomb. To Amoroso. Amoroso. No good. Lagartea to the bomb. The bomb, 2 points. Good. Australiano Amoroso all alone. No good for Amoroso. Basco. Kita to Kyle. Kyle dribbling. Kyle. No good. Paulin Day brings in the ball. Paulin Day. Jumper. No good. Di ba Lagartea. Cut to Kyle. Kyle. Got fouled. First free throw no good for Kahel. Second free throw no good for Kahel. Billy bringing down the ball. Billy to Damasco. Damasco to Teng. Teng taking the wide open 3. No good. Lagartea to Kahel. Kahel 3-point shot. No good. Rebounded by Basco. Basco on the paint. Basco. 2 points for Basco. Paulin Day dribbling to Osteliero. Osteliero kick out to Teng. 14 seconds to shoot. Teng. No good. Teng again. That's Teng got the ball again. Osteliero driving.
Foul.
Damasco, jumper. No good. Hey, hooks on. Three-pointer, no good. Rebound calling day. Billy running. Billy dribbling. Billy. 2 points for Gordon Billy. Six-point lead for Santa Roque. Kyle. Sit back. Calling day got the ball. 10. Constellero. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Billy back to Polinday. Polinday, 2 points is good for Polinday. Nagartea to Kyle. Kyle taking the shot. No good. Rebound Polinday. Polinday to Billy. Billy running. Billy to Damasco. Damasco. 2 points is good for Damasco. Two-point lead for San Roque. Our official score is 76-74. Nagantea to Basco. Basco. 2-pointer is good for Basco. Billy got the ball. Foul. Number 29. Substitution. Nepomuceno in. Lagarteja out. 35.2 seconds on the clock. Still by Billy. Billy running. Billy. 2 points for Billy and got fouled. Foul number 25. First personal foul for number 25. First team foul. Bonus Peter no good. Kyle, Nepomuceno, to Hoxton. Hoxton got blocked by Polinday. Damasco running. Damasco. 10 seconds. Basco got the ball. Basco give the ball. 5 seconds. Basco to Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno. 3-point shot is good. Big pass. Our official score is 81-76. We are heading to fourth quarter. By the way, folks, our next game is Black Knights versus Adelina Phase 1. Start of the last quarter. San Roque ball. Pigaw, give it. Pigaw taking a different shot. No good. Rebounded by Kabangon. Kabangon, 2-pointer. 2-pointer is good for Kabangon. Turnover for Tres Marias. Nepomuceno, corner 3 is good for Nepomuceno. Angeles to Polinday. Polinday, the pointer, no good. Rebounded by Basco. Kabangon running. Kabangon to Nepomuceno again. Nataas ang paso. Turnover. Tres Marias ball. Billy dribbling the ball. Billy to Molly. Molly. 2 points for Molly Chipon there. Pigaw, tuloy pa Marcelo. Back to Pigaw. Pigaw. Tip pass. Vasco, two-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Castellano. Castellano to Billy. Billy to Molly Chip of Lane. And Molly 2 points. 6-point lead for San Roque. Our official score is 8-6-18. Son got the ball. Tomaseno taking a 3-point shot. No good. Rebounded by Vasco. Blocked by Castellano. Vasco again. 10 seconds to shoot. Vasco for Cabangon. Cabangon break. Cabangon. 2 points for Cabangon. The original Mighty Mouse. 8-point lead for San Roque. Billy, screen Irish. Lim, escaping. Lim back to Billy. 5 seconds to shoot. Billy, falling day, 2-pointer. No good. Rebound Pigaw. Pigaw giving on the ball. Cabangon. Back to Pigaw. Pigaw, 3-pointer. Is good for Pigaw. 3 points. 11-point lead for San Roque. Angeles, Dilo, 3 points good for Angeles. Ito Mosteno. To Pigaw. Pigaw, attacking. Pigaw. Kick. Substitution. Angeles out. Damasco in. 6 minutes and 56 seconds on the clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Pigaw. Corner three, no good. Rebounded by Billy. Billy running. Billy. Still by Cabangon. Cabangon to Vasco. Vasco. 2 points. Is good for Vasco. 10-point lead for San Roque. Damasco got the ball again. Damasco to Castellero. Castellero. 2-pointer. No good. Damasco got the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Damasco to Castellero. Castellero, no good. Billy got the ball. Billy. 2 points for Courageous Billy. Pigaw running. Pigaw to Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno, 3-pointer. No good. Turnover. Timeout. San Roque. Our official score is 93-85 in favor of San Roque. Time remaining 5 minutes and 52 seconds. Back to the ball game. Pigaw using 14 seconds to shoot. Pigaw to Lagartea. Lagartea to Hokson. Kael again. Kael, 3-pointer. No good. Lagartea got the ball. Lagartea got fouled. Foul number 29. Second personal foul. First team foul. First free throw no good for Lagartea. Second free throw is good for Lagartea. Polenday surveying the deep. Polenday to Damasco. Damasco to Lim. Lim driving. Lim, 2 points for Air Molecule Lim. 14 seconds is the shot clock. Kabangon. Turn over. Next one, yes, get the ball. Damasco dribbling. Damasco to Pili. Pili on the paint. Back to Damasco. Ermoli get the ball. Ermoli! No good. Rebound Basco to Kael. Kael dribbling. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Kael to Lagartea. Lagartea to Kabangon. Kabangon, step back. Kabangon get the ball again. Basco! 2 points. What a pass. What a find. Damasco to Lim. Lim to Billy. Billy attacking. No foul. The rest. Timeout. Rest Marias. Our official score is 96-87. Still in favor of San Roque. Time remaining 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Back to the ball game.
Bola, sir, bola.
Our next game, Black Knights versus Adelina Praise One. Tres Marias, you only have 1 timeout remaining. Kael to Lagartea, Mary. Lagartea, Mary scores 2 points. Polinde, back to Costeliero. Costeliero to Damasco, Damasco attacking. Damasco, 2 points is good with a foul. Foul number
20.
Foul number 25. Second personal foul. First team foul. Ball straight to no good. Kyle got the ball. Pili got the ball to Damasco. Damasco dribbling. Foul number 8. First personal foul number 8. Damasco to Pili. Pili on the paint. Pili rebounded by Pili again. Pili 2 points.
Wala, wala.
14 seconds to shoot. Lagartea, 2-pointer is good for Lagartea. 9-point lead for San Roque. Pili to Damasco. Damasco attacking. Same ball. Our official score is 191. Still in favor of San Roque. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Damasco, Costeliero. Still Kabangon. Lagartea to Kael. 14 seconds to shoot. Kael dribbling. Kael to Basco. Basco to Pointer. It's good for Basco. Ermoli still last 2 minutes. Kael dribbling to Basco, to Kabangon, back to Basco, loose ball, Polinde get the ball, dribbling at the ball, Polinde running, Polinde attacking, Polinde 2 points. Substitution.
Foxtrot dribbling.
To Kyle. Being independent with Taylor. Basko got the ball. Basko back to Kyle. 10 seconds to shoot. Lagartea. To Foxtrot. 2 points. Billy dribbling. Billy to Ermoli. Ermoli. Easy 2 points. Foxtrot to Lagartea. Lagartea to Foxtrot. Foxtrot being trapped.
Four. Go.
That pass to Basko. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Damasco. Damasco all alone. Oh no. Damasco 2 points. Timeout. San Roque. Our official score 104-97. Still in favor of San Roque. The remaining time 47.9 seconds. Back to Kyle. Kyle, 20% back to Kyle. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. No foul. 24 seconds remaining. Damasco to Lim. Lim, 3-pointer. 3-pointer is good for Lim. 4-point lead for San Roque. Foul. Number 25. 14.7 seconds remaining. Both teams tigisa ang inyong timeout. Foul. Substitution. Both teams tigisa timeout pa. Steal by Billy. Billy to Valente. Valente, 3-pointer. No good. Billy, 2 points. 4.9 seconds remaining. Timeout. San Roque. Official score 104-102. 2-point lead for San Roque. Remaining time 4 minutes. Correction, 4.9 seconds.
Dalawa isa. Dalawa pa to.
Back to the ball game.
Alam na siya ba? Sir, lalakay pa.
Foul. Foul number 22. Tres Marias, no fouls to give. Foul. Penalty.
Dalawa pa, pautugin nyo.
First free throw, no good for Kabangon. Second free throw, good for the foul. Timeout, Torres Marias. San Roque, fouls to give niyo dalawa. Tres Marias, penalty kayo. Both teams, no timeout. 3 seconds remaining. Our official score 105, 102. Volunteer, take the last shot. Oh, good. San Roque take the third place. Our final score 105, 102. Nice game for both teams. And for our next game, the championship, the finals, Black Knights versus Adelina Phase 1. Lincoln Point Basketball League Promotion Season 2. Our score 161 point 82 rebound. Medical 5 from Arms 14. 161 point, 82 rebound, 10 assists, 16 steal, 6 block. Jets time. From TH to Love. 139 point made, 15 rebound, 13 assists, 6 steal. I say hallelujah. And for our point guard, we got Arwin De La Paz and Pulpa. Correction, si Pulpa na pala ang ating point guard. with 47 assists made. And for our limitless range from PH Club and Adelina Phase 1, Aisen Halili and Owi Sadsad. They both made 28 three-pointers this season. Now, we are heading to our finals game. Adelina Phase 1 versus Black Knights.